Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. Now I am talking about why we need to know about gaze. I mean wire gaze. The importance of wire gaze. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Why wire gaze is important? While circuit breakers or wiring fuses offer good protection against overloading wire and overheating them, they are not absolute protection. Both these devices are designed to sense current overloads and to trip or below before the wire can overheat to the danger point. But they are not foolproof, and it is still important to guard against exceeding the amperage rating of any given circuit by plugging too many applications into them. There is the potential for danger anytime a device or appliance tries to draw more power on a circuit than the wire gauge is rated for. For example, plugging a heater rated for 20 amperes into a 50 amperes current wire with 14 gauge wire poses a distinct danger. Should the circuit breaker fail to operate correctly, that heater will draw more current than the wires can safely handle and could heat the wire to the point of melting the insulation around the wires and ignite surround materials. On the other hand, there is no danger whatsoever in plugging appliance with mild electrical loads into circuit with heavier gauge wire and a higher amperage rating. The circuit will draw the power asked for by whatever is plugged into them and no more. So for example, running a laptop computer with a very small amperage demanded on a 20 amperes circuit wire with 12 gauge wire is perfectly fine. The potential for danger is most pronounced with the use of light household extension cords. Many a household fire has occurred when a light extension cord with 16 gauge wire is used to power a heater or heating appliance of some sort. Most manufacturers will discourage the use of any extension cords with portable heaters, but if one must be used, it has to be a heavily duty cord with a high amperage rating that matches the amperage of the appliance and of the circuit it is plugged into. A chart for wire use and rated ampacity wire gauges. Low voltage lighting and lamp cord refers 10 ampere ampacity and wire require 18 gauge. Extension cord light duty refers 13 amperes 16 gauge. Light fixtures lamp lighting circuit refers 15 amperes 14 gauges. Kitchen, bathroom and outdoor receptacle outlets 120 volt air conditioner refers 20 amperes 12 gauge wire. Electric clothes dryer 240 volt window air conditioner, electric water heater, sometime cooktop and wall oven refers 30 amperes for wire 10 gauge. Cooktops and ranges refers 40 to 50 amperes and need wire 6 gauge. Electric fans, large electric heaters, etc. refers 60 amperes and need 4 gauge wire. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.